Hello, good afternoon again, and welcome once more to the Hanover Messe for the Hydrogen Fuel Cell Batteries Group exhibit. This afternoon, I am being joined by Pascal Mauberger, Chairman and CEO at McPhy Energy SA. Thank you for joining us. Good afternoon. Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And good afternoon, everybody. It's always a pleasure for me to be in this Hanover Fair.
Excellent. We love having you here. So your topic today is called Scaling Up of our Hydrogen Solutions Towards a Clean Mobility Revolution. So first of all, I will ask you to please tell us about McPhy.
Okay, so McPhy, I believe you know McPhy already. I mean, we have been in this industry for 10 years. We are one of the pioneers, one of the forerunner in this hydrogen technology. I created this company 10 years ago to focus exclusively on the new usage of hydrogen. Why? Because we go through a complete revolution in the energy sector. And energy is shaping the world. And we try to contribute to transform energy, to move energy from fossil fuel to renewable, decarbonized energy. And to do so, hydrogen is absolutely unavoidable. Why? Because hydrogen can help to introduce massively renewable energy in the energy mix, and hydrogen can also decarbonize the usage in the industry, the usage in the transportation, and the usage in the energy.
Thank you very much. What is your vision for the future of McPhy?
Well, I mean, we are in front of a huge, colossal market. If I refer to just the last study that has been produced by the Hydrogen Council, this Hydrogen Council, I mean, it's an international organization regrouping 23 big companies in the energy sector, in the fuel sector, in the automotive sectors, in the industrial gas sectors, and 15 supporting members. And McPhy joined this supporting members club a few months ago. These people, they say all together that, first of all, the energy transition is ongoing. We cannot go back. Second thing, that hydrogen is unavoidable to succeed in this energy transition. And why? Because hydrogen can decarbonize the energy and decarbonize the usage. And they say that in 2050, 32 years from now, energy could represent 18% of the final energy demand. That could represent 20% of the CO2 abatement needed to succeed in the 2-degree scenario. That will represent $2.5 trillion of business, hydrogen itself, and the equipment needed to produce and to handle this hydrogen. And that will represent, on a worldwide basis, 30 million jobs. So, I mean, this is absolutely gigantic. The only problem today is that all the hydrogen used, mainly in the industry, at 99% is produced from fossil fuel. Steam reforming of natural gas, mainly. So this is the big challenge. And what we propose is to do what we call the clean factory revolution.
And that brings me to my next question. What is the clean factory revolution?
So, a clean factory revolution.
I should rephrase it.
We are French, so yes, we know how to do revolution in France. So the clean factory revolution, it stands on 3 main strategic points. First of all, propose to the customers the technology they need to achieve that. It's a modular and scalable technology. And I will tell you more about our technology that we are presenting in this fair. Second thing is to have an industrial infrastructure at scale. I told you that we have a gigantic market in front of us. We have to be able to serve this market with a scalable industrial infrastructure. And third point is to be customer-centric. We really have to focus on customers. And in the technical forum, we had a presentation from my deputy CEO, Bertrand Hamelot, together with one of our partners, AkzoNobel. And AkzoNobel says, okay, we want to go to green hydrogen. We need clearly a water electrolysis platform able to produce this green hydrogen with efficient cost and efficient energy. They say 20 megawatt, for them it's a demonstration project. They speak about 1 megawatt, 1 gigawatt platform. It's absolutely gigantic. And we have to have the industrial platform able to scale up at this level of production. So this is what we call the Clean Factory Revolution, and what we are presenting in this fair is what we call the augmented technology. So augmented McLyzer and augmented McFilling refilling station. What is an augmented McLyzer? An augmented McLyzer, it's a unique combination of advanced electrodes and advanced pressurized water electrolysis, alkaline water electrolysis, combining the maturity, the cost efficiency, and the energy efficiency of alkaline water electrolysis with advanced electrodes coming from our partner De Nora. And with that, we are able to propose to the industry a unique platform that can scale up from 44 megawatt modules to 20 megawatt clusters, and then to 100 megawatt platforms and more. And 20 megawatt platforms can take less than 4,500 square meters, which is extremely small, including everything from the high voltage transformers to the hydrogen purification. Everything included. And with those platforms, we can produce, and that's the real revolution, we can produce hydrogen at a cost which is completely comparable to what the hydrogen produced by steam reforming of natural gas. So we propose now to our customers solution to produce clean hydrogen at the same cost that what they use today to produce dirty hydrogen or black hydrogen. So this is clearly what we propose as a revolution, and what we call the augmented McLyzer. And the second point is the augmented McFilling. We see now also a big move, especially in Europe, but also a lot in China, to big platform for transportation, heavy transportation. And in China, I was visiting China with my Chinese colleague 3 weeks ago. Those people in several cities, they want to develop clean transportation, clean city transportation, clean buses. And they know that to run a bus from 5 o'clock in the morning to 2 o'clock in the following night, you cannot do that with a battery. So they need hydrogen buses. When a city in China speaks about buses, it's hundreds, thousands of buses. So they have a huge need for big production platform of hydrogen and big refilling station. And we can propose that level of technology, and this is what we call the augmented McFilling.
Thank you very much. Do we have any questions at this moment from anyone? Okay, thank you. What are the areas of opportunity that you see, that McPhy sees?
Well, clearly the opportunity, and this is for McPhy, but this is for all of us, in fact, in this hydrogen fuel cell event. Clearly, the opportunity is to transform our economy from a fossil economy to a decarbonized economy. It's a huge, huge opportunity for all of us. And I was speaking with a lot of our colleagues here and competitors, but there is room for everybody. We need to provide the technology which is really the cutting-edge technology that those people, the customers needs. And the market is so big, and we are relatively small companies together all. The market is so big that there is room for everybody, and there is a job creation, a value creation, which is absolutely gigantic in front of us.
Thank you. Can you please talk a little bit more about your McLyzer? For starter, the name is Fantastic. The McLyzer.
So the McLyzer, it's a water electrolysis platform. So we use alkaline technology. Why? Because alkaline technology is a very mature technology, but we can improve a lot this technology to focus on production of hydrogen through water electrolysis, taking electricity. Our augmented McLyzer, the platform, the 20 megawatt platform, will produce 4,000 cubic meters of hydrogen per hour at 30 bar, with a current density of about 10,000 amps per square meters, or 1 amp per square centimeters, which is absolutely unique for alkaline water electrolysis. Why can we achieve that? Because we combine again the advanced electrode of De Nora with our pressurized process. At 30 bar, the bubbles of hydrogen are so small that you can run a lot of current in your electrodes. And this is what we have been developing that for more than 3 years with our partner De Nora. We considered that the last summer that we were successful, and then we have run since the summer of last year durability test. So we have now more than thousands of hours of operation to prove that this technology works clearly, but it's also durable. And we can deliver a system that will run for several years at full load, 8,000 hours per year, without deterioration of the stack. So it's easy to maintain. It's very efficient in terms of energy consumption. It's about 63 kilowatt hour per kilogram of hydrogen produced, all included again. I mean, transformers, rectifiers, purification, clearly the stacks, including also a cooling system and water demineralization. And it's extremely compact. I mean, we can install a 20 megawatt system platform in less than 900 square meters, and we can install a 100 megawatt platform in less than 4,500 square meters. So a drastic reduction of the footprint, maintaining a high level of energy efficiency, doubling the capacity, the production of hydrogen without changing the geometry of the stack. This is the revolution that we are proposing.
Thank you. And now in your booth, you have a motto on the back wall of your booth. Can you tell us about that?
Our booth is just behind us.
Yes.
And we have an hologram presentation of our 20 megawatt platform. I invite you to go there. We have the full sales team is on the booth. They will be ready and prepared to answer to your questions. So don't hesitate to visit us and ask all the questions you want. And we can take orders. We will deliver a 100 megawatt platform in about 36 months. So and that will give you the time to get all the authorization you need to install your platform. And again, our industrial platform is at scale. We can produce currently 100 megawatt per year. We will double this capacity next year. We will reach 200 megawatt per year, and we will in 3-4 years we'll be able to produce 400 megawatt per year of stacks. We have a very nice industrial platform in Tuscany, which is clearly a stack factory. We have a big engineering team focusing on those big McLyzers in Germany, next to Berlin, in Wildau. And this is the former team that we acquired. I am extremely glad to have made this acquisition 5 years ago, because that has completely transformed McPhy. We acquired this team from Enertrag High-Tech, and Enertrag had developed already this vision that they needed electrolysis to have an alternative way to sell their wind energy. And we have integrated this team, and for 5 years, they have developed this unique pressurized alkaline water electrolysis. And we have also a big platform in Grenoble and next to Grenoble where we develop the hydrogen refilling system, the McFilling. And clearly, we started with very small system, again, to trigger the market, to offer to the pioneer in this market affordable system. And then now we are increasing in size. And now we can produce 200 kilogram per day or 400 kilogram per day of refilling platforms. We will be soon, I'm sure, to 1 ton per day refilling platform. And we are now developing and qualifying our 700 bar to serve the domestic car market.
Thank you. And could you please tell us a little bit more about your augmented clean hydrogen solutions?
Well, the clean hydrogen solution is in fact combining both. Combining the augmented McLaser and combining the augmented McFilling. So doing so, we can really produce clean hydrogen and deliver this clean hydrogen to big AV transportation. When I say big AV transportation, it's clearly buses, but it's also small trucks now. And now, and more, and we see that in Germany, trains. Trains can run with hydrogen fuel cell. And when you run an hydrogen fuel cell train, you save a lot of money compared to electrifying a small secondary line. It's basically twice cheaper than the capex that you would have to install to put the cable on top of the rail.
Thank you. It's been really nice speaking with you. I just have one last question. What would you like for people to take away from our conversation today?
Well, just keep in mind that we are going through a complete energy revolution. Hydrogen is absolutely unavoidable in this revolution, and McPhy has the solution you need, the technology you need to follow you in your project. And last point, we will celebrate our 10 years anniversary on our booth at 5 o'clock. So please join us, and we'll be very glad to share a good bottle of wine with all of you. And we can also answer your questions if you have questions. But the goal right there is really to enjoy good time together.
Thank you very much. So that is booth C70, and that is where at 5 p.m. I hear that there's going to be a really good variety of wines for people to sample. So please do join them. Our thanks to Mr. Pascal Mauberger, Chairman and CEO at McPhy Energy CA. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Perfect. Thank you. So up next, I have one of my colleagues coming up, and he will be interviewing Mr. Michael Sharsmith, Head of Product Management in Sukaft ERDGAS. And the topic is IBZ 2018, Commercialization of Technology Requires Realignment of the Organization. Thank you very much.